Today I have in my garage the first BMW 6 Series e24. This is a very rare car and I want to show you some cool features that this model has. The first thing that I want to show you is about the engine hood. The way that this engine hood is opening and closing. The way that this engine hood is opening, it's normal, like a normal car. But the way that this engine hood is closing is totally different. For opening the hood, you will need to pull this lever. And now the engine hood is open. And for close the engine hood, you leave it down. You will put your foot on the pedal. And from outside there is nothing much special. It has this extra long bumper because it's for the US market. The body is normal without a window frame for the windows. The rear bumper the same with this special lights for the US market. And for the inside, we have here a special compartment in the door. Other compartment is the glove box inside this car. This car have full electric seats. We have front and rear. The headrest is not working anymore. The tilt. This car have 4 electric windows. The switches are normal. And rear. This is the maximum. This car have onboard computer with board computer from the steering. Have check control panel for checking all the system, brake lights, rear lights, license plate, low beam, engine oil, coolant and washer fluid. The light switch, it's old school. Here is the dimmer for the interior lights. Here are the front and rear fog lights. AC system. And the car is normal, but the way the engine hood is open and closing is phenomenal. It have also cruise control and intensive windshield washer. And it have the warning system because this car is for US market. And this car also have electric antenna. This car being a coupe, you need to enter in the back seat area. And in the back seat also have for the rear passenger a armrest. And nice feature, there is this things here. Here are the speakers and some storage compartment. And the normal sunroof with the switch. I hope you learned something new. If you find this video interesting, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. If you want to ask me something, use the comment section down below. And till next time, stay awesome.